Hey all, hope you had a great trading week. So this week, let's check what is going to happen. Our prediction remains same. So last week, whatever we predicted, that remains same. The only thing is, last week, whatever we expected was, we had anticipated earlier. So let's deep dive into this and find out what was the reason behind that. So this is the Nifty 50 chart. So this is the wave pattern we have. What is the wave pattern? 1, 2. This is the third wave, fourth wave, and this is the fifth wave we are expecting. So we are currently in the fifth wave. So this is our momentum wave. So the momentum wave is, we expected in the last week this momentum could start in this week, but it didn't happen. So let's explore more what is happening over here. Let's go to 4-hour timeline. Yeah, so this is our 4-hour timeline. And if I check my momentum of my C wave, so my expectation, my target will be around here. My target is supposed to be 18,700. This is what we expected last week, but what happened was our fourth wave got extended. But it's quite good. I actually missed that part, but it was quite evident that this was happening at that point of time, but missed that out. Correct. I should have noted this one, but I missed it. But yeah. So that was our target we predicted, but last week it didn't happen. So this week, let's get into the detail, another level, 1-hour timeline. What is happening in the 1-hour timeline? So let's see what is happening. So it's in a channel now. So this is 1, A, B, C. So this is our fourth wave. So there is a chance that this fourth wave can break out and it will continue with the fifth wave. If it goes below this, if this break this level, and the target is this, but again it breaks our trend line, this trend line, and it can go till this point, 18,384. So just you need to watch the levels there. So always when you are doing this trading, you need to have both the perspective. One is your positive perspective, and one is what the other thing can happen. So you need to have both the scenarios. Don't always go with the happy scenarios. There could be negative scenarios. You need to be prepared for that. So last time actually we expected a gap up, but it gap down. All these things happen. So we need to be prepared in all the directions. Whatever happens, we have to go with the direction. Go with the market direction. Follow the price actions. So that is what this Nifty is about. So this week, let's fingers crossed. There's a lot of chance to break out and go to our expected level. Maybe it can go till 18,664. So fingers crossed. Let's go for it. So now let's get into Bank Nifty. What is happening in the Bank Nifty? Let's go to a bigger view. So last week we same thing. We expected Bank Nifty also has to go up. What is happening in the Bank Nifty? Let's revisit. This was our levels, but it didn't happen. So here it's supposed to break out. This is what we expected. This is what I expected, but it came down. So let's analyze what happened. Analyzing the stock and the chart is very important. This will give you a complete clarity. You have to keep on doing the backtest to learn what is happening in the market, so that during the trading hours you can plan accordingly. Since I cannot be with you while trading, so you need to be aware. You need to improvise yourself. So based on the levels and so let's see the Bank Nifty what is happening here. So this is it's too much of complex corrections going on in the Bank Nifty. If you see 1, 2, this is third wave, fourth wave, and this is the fifth wave. So in the fifth wave only this complete correction is happening now. This entire correction is happening after the fifth wave. I feel fifth wave is done. It's completed. That is what I feel right now. But there are chances that because the wave calculation can be, everybody can get a different perspective based on certain indicators and certain patterns. You can understand what wave it is and all those things. So one chance is this entire journey could be this entire thing could be a third wave, and this is the fourth wave. And the fourth wave is a corrective wave. This is the entire corrections happening sideways. So now we can expect a fifth wave. That there is another chance to look at this one. So let's see in both the perspective. Okay. So let's draw a trend line and see what is happening here. If I draw a trend line like this. Okay, it is still in the channel. What kind of pattern it is forming? Any idea? One is it looks like an expanded triangle. Can you see that? It is an expanded triangle. Let me clear out all other lines. So it's an expanded triangle. In the expanded triangle, what happens is it will create a four-wave pattern, which is this is 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. It may come till here. There are chances. Okay. If it breaks, be aware that it may come down. So then you will have a fifth wave. This is another possible scenario of Bank Nifty. So be careful in Bank Nifty. It's slightly like in a confused state. There is no proper confirmation which side it will go. So make sure to trade in a Bank Nifty in a very careful way. So other chances, as I mentioned, it is still in the trend line. So if it breaks this one, it may fall down to this level. So it could be a range bound. Have a safe trading week. Thank you.